Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to do a short unboxing and presentation of a very nice scooter from Decathlon. It's the model for big kids, MID9. This is how the box looks like. The price of this scooter is around $80 or 70 euros. So it's not very cheap, but it's of a good quality. I choose this color for my kid. As you can see, this is how the box looks like. You have a handle here, you can lift it if you want. Let's see what we have on this part of the box. So we have some characteristics. As you can see, it's foldable, it has a stand. In terms of brakes, it has a foot brake but also a hand brake. I wanted this. It has very large wheels, which is nice because you don't risk to fall off. And you have front suspension. This is what we have on this side of the box. Here, we have another picture of the scooter. So again, this is how the box looks like. From what I know, the maximum weight is 100 kilograms, so it can be used by adults too. I'm going to test it, to be honest with you. And let's jump inside the box, but I think I need to put the box down from the table because it's quite big. Okay, so this is how the box looks like when you open it. As you can see, the scooter is brand new. Here you have the scooter, very nice color. So I'm going to need both hands to take it out. I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to take it out, and then I'll continue from there. But again, this is how the box looks like when you open it. Let me show it to you from this angle too. Here you have user manual or how to install the scooter. It's very simple. It comes pre-installed, so what you need to do is to put in place the handles and to unfold it, and that's it. You're good to go. The wheels are in place, everything is in place. You need to adjust the handlebar height and you're good to go. But again, let me take it out of the box. So guys, I took it out from the box. This is how it looks like. Basically here we have the user manual and how to install it. It's very nice because it has pictures, so it's very easy to follow. Again, as you can see here, it's for persons up to 100 kilograms, and in terms of people height, is from 1.25 m to 1.75 m. So again, it's for big kids but also for adult people. As you can see, this is how it comes folded, and we also have a small strap here. If you want to carry it with you in the subway or in the bus, you can fold it up, you can install this strap and you can take it with you. It's very handy. I'm going to install it and then I'm going to show it to you. Stay with me. Okay guys, so this is how the scooter looks like when it's unfolded and ready to go. As I told you, it has a height adjustable handlebar. As you can see here, we have some very qualitative, I'd say rubber, I think it's rubber. Here is the button from where you adjust the height, and as you can see, it has 3 positions. One, this is the lowest, medium, and the highest. I don't know if you see the little holes. Okay, they are in here. In order to adjust the height, you need to unblock the handlebar by, I cannot do it with one hand, but you need to pull this lever here. It has also a handbrake, although most of the time probably you are going to use the foot brake. As you can see, it has very large wheels, 175 millimeters. This is very, very good. Here you have an anti-slippery pad. Here is the folding mechanism, so if you want to fold the bike and take it with you, here you have instructions how, but basically you need to press with your foot this lever and then you can fold the scooter. It also has a small stand here, and as you can see, it also comes with covers in order not to get dirty when it's raining outside. But anyway, I don't recommend you to use this scooter when it's rainy. Why? Because due to the fact that these wheels, they don't have any let's say rainy profile here, it will get very, very slippery, so you risk to get injured. I really hope that my kid will like it. It looks very nice, it looks very premium. Again, I'm really happy with the products from Decathlon, so this is where I go to make shopping for sport. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.